Star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching another video for the OM community. As you all know that I've been working on refining my pivot levels for the past few months and weeks, and I've kind of introduced them more and more in the past few weeks as I've grown more confident with my custom indicator here. And for those who have been following, they're indicated on my screen here by the R and S green and red lines, the horizontal lines. Yesterday was kind of a test day for me. Today's Saturday, yesterday was Friday, October 15th. So what I elected to do is hide all of my indicators. I hid all the 821, all of the VWAP, everything that was technical related I hid. And the only thing I kept was my custom indicators, and I wanted to see how well I could do. As you all know, I went 5 for 5 yesterday, 100% accuracy, not one loss. And the biggest one of the wins was a 33% win off of the afternoon buy up. And I really wanted to show you here the price action of the day, how well these levels work and what my thesis was. I'm going to go over the last play of the day here. I'm just going to go ahead and play this out now and see how they go. All right, so let's go ahead and play and recap this. So right out of the gate, we had a lot of buying action here coming on up, but it fizzled out here. I had my R2 level set right here at 445.37. We see we popped above it, rejected to come back down. R1 is 444.84, came back down and came right back onto it. And then for the rest of the morning, we consolidated and chopped throughout between these resistances for the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. And I started getting a lot of high potential scalp plays. So we took 4 plays going into the afternoon based on just these levels. Remember, I hid everything. And we were down, literally sometimes down to the penny, rejecting and bouncing off of these particular levels until we finally came into the afternoon play. And then I'm going to go ahead and pause it right here. Actually, we went a little bit too long right there, but I'm going to show you what I was looking at. So I was watching this consolidation all day, and I was trying to figure out, are we going to reject and break lower, or are we going to pop and go higher? In order to do that, especially not using any technical indicators, I was watching the volume. I was watching these levels to make sure that I was holding. And then I was going into my market awareness mode. And you all know me, I think market awareness is the key to becoming a consistent, profitable trader for profits, as well as understanding what is going on in the market. The more you understand in the market, the more successful and more profitable you'll be in the long run. So what I was doing, I was following the top 8. Tech sector had a big run up. You know, Tesla had massive exponential price action there, as well as Amazon went absolutely ballistic. But the real thing that I saw climbing up into the market was XLF. And once I saw XLF start to pop here in the afternoon, I thought there was a high probability that SPY was going to pop up there in the morning. And sure enough, that's exactly what we did after consolidation all morning. Pop. I took a call right here, which was the I took the October 18th 44.80 calls right here, and I filled at 7:30. And then a couple of minutes later, after the run up at XLF, sure enough, we got the buy up, the bulls won, and we blasted right off my R2 level. And I ended up closing most of those ladders $9.70 each, which was a 33% gain overall. A lot of people in the room got an awesome win, and they love this play because it was something that not a lot of people necessarily get, because it's based on volume, and it's based on these custom pivot levels that work really well because they are based on volume. Anyway, y'all, just a quick rundown on how I trade my system and how I'm starting to more and more refine these levels to make us and the community more and more profitable, and overarching to understand exactly how the market works and why pivots at certain levels of volume is so important, and actually more important than any kind of line you could draw on your chart in terms of technical indicators that's based on a formula. Anything based on a formula is always going to be lagging and reactive in nature, and it's not going to give you any indication of what the market is doing behind the scenes. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please hit that like button, subscribe so you can get content or notifications for more content, as well as my live streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to join the Discord, please follow that link down in the description. You can come over and join the Patreon as well. The Patreon gets you access to all of my commentary, all of my pre-market analysis, as well as the levels you see here, not to mention a bunch of other features that a lot of people seem to love. So please come over, join the Patreon, join the Discord. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, I'm out.